Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please read the statement carefully. It's a geometry question, triangles based. There is a triangle given, two side lengths are given and third side is unknown. Question is minimum value that A can take is. Out of these four values, what can be the minimum value of A? Before we directly do this MCQ, I am going to tell you one important condition that when a triangle is possible. See, when two sides are given and third side has one rule. Third side is always greater. Third side is always greater than difference of other two sides. Do remember it. Third side is always greater than difference of other two sides, and there is one more rule that third side is always smaller, lesser than sum of other two sides. This is very important rule to remember because we are focusing on third side. Now third side is greater than the difference. Let me see what the difference is. What is the difference of 10 and 6.5? If you find the difference 10 minus 6.5, you will get 3.5. So I'm sure that third side is going to be greater than 3.5 centimeter, right? Also, third side should be less than sum of the other two sides. That means my third side is lesser than their addition. 10 plus 6.5 is 16.5. This is what I am telling you for your knowledge. Now your third side will lie between these two values always, because I'm saying third side is always greater than 3.5 and lesser than 16.5. Third side can be anything. This is the range now, starting from in between 3.5 and 16.5. Between means boundary values are not counted. But our question is, what can be the minimum value? When I'm saying it is greater than 3.5, so greater than 3.5 minimum value is 4 centimeter. That means minimum value that A can have is 4 centimeter. I hope you are clear with the concept because it is greater than the third side. Greater than the difference. And I'm going to give you one more question. Please try that question. And you just need to tell me that third side is greater than which value and lesser than which value. Two sides I'm giving here. Let's suppose one side of triangle is given as 5 centimeter and second side is given as 7 centimeter. But you need to find that third side is greater than which value and third side is lesser than which value. This is what two answers you need to find. Please write your answers in the comment box. Let us see how many of you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching today's video.